Hi everyone, welcome to my another vlog on my channel Between This and That. If you are new to my channel, then please go check all my videos, and if you really like it, then you must subscribe, like, share and comment on the video as well. Alright guys, let's get started with today's vlog. So where are we heading? Today, we are heading towards the Queen of Hill station, that is Ooty. Right now, we are at Masinagudi. We have made couple of videos regarding Masinagudi stay and reviewed it as well. If you have not watched our previous video, then do go back and check that out. And then here in this video, we are going to give you some most beautiful location and landscape views as well. Ooty has been one of the most favorite tourist places, especially during winters. Well, if I say so, that would be slightly wrong. I think Ooty is an all-time favorite place because the weather is always chilling, but during winters, the temperature increases slightly. And I think that is the beautiful moment that we are going to experience at Ooty. Cold weather, pine forest, smell of Nilgiris, and the landscape. All this put together is definitely going to be just mesmerizing view. We planned this trip in such a way we did not want to rush. We wanted to enjoy our journey before reaching the destination. On the way to Ooty, there are about 36 hairpin, which is also considered to be the most zigzag roads. However, it is extremely important to drive carefully, especially during rainy season. In this video, we will take you through the journey from Masinagudi to Ooty, the breathtaking view, and cover few places that we were able to visit at Ooty, and let you all enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed staying here. We have just entered Ooty. From here, we are going towards Pine Forest, and on our way, we found these beautiful horses. This viewpoint can be considered as the most Instagrammable place because it has some beautiful pine trees and also surrounded with fully greeneries. So this spot is definitely a great area to capture some aesthetic pictures. Going forward, you're also going to view some of the pictures that we had captured in this location, and trust me, they had come out really very well. Government has made a strict rule of not carrying plastic, especially while entering the state. However, we did see a lot of plastic and bottles floating at the edge of the lake. I would definitely recommend all the viewers who are watching and planning to go to Ooty, make sure you don't carry plastic and throw it away on the streets. After visiting Pine Forest, we are now moving towards our stay. On our way, we found this beautiful Shiva temple in the Tamilgam road. It is now time for lunch and we chose to go to this restaurant called Angara. So this was a spontaneous decision. We were really unsure how the taste would be. After going through a lot of reviews from various restaurants, we finally arrived at Angara, which is happened to be in the Ooty city itself. To our surprise, every food was very delicious, from tandoori to chicken biryani to fried rice and all the variety juices that we ordered. I would definitely recommend you to go to Angara if you are really unsure where to have your next meal. After filling our tummy, we are now moving towards our stay, which is near Ketti, and on the way we found this beautiful waterfall. I have personally never experienced such a beautiful drive. This is a must visit place whenever you come to Ooty. So here we are going towards Dolphin Nose. So here are a few things that you should be aware of whenever you visit Dolphin Nose. There would be some people standing at the edge of the road and waving their hands, asking you to stop your vehicle so that they can show you the location. However, this viewpoint is definitely a good one, but I would definitely recommend you not to waste your time and reach the final viewpoint, which also has a tea plantation as well. So basically you can click pictures in the edge, that is on the Dolphin Nose, as well as click as many pictures you want near the tea plantation. Also do a bit of shopping. I'm going to upload a detailed video of this in the next episode. So from here, let us quickly move on to the next restaurant that we visited after visiting Benchmark. So here we are all set for our next lunch. Bagicha restaurant had definitely took us by surprise. We were making a lot of choices in order to pick the right restaurant. However, our guesswork turned out to be just perfect. Every dish, everything on the table were just on top. From momos to fried rice to Manchurians, everything was just amazing. After a heavy meal, we have now headed towards our room. It was definitely a wonderful trip. I would definitely recommend you to visit Angara and Bagicha restaurant. I think these two places are just amazing, especially if you are a foodie. It is now time to pack our bags and say goodbye to this beautiful view. We are heading back to Bangalore, but what are you supposed to do? Like, share, and subscribe. If you have not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to our channel and watch all other videos. If you really liked our videos, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. My next video will be about Benchmark Tea Factory visit. If you're interested, watch the full video. Then do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get notified. Till then, goodbye. Take care.